Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some quick gestures that can make your painting process a lot easier and a lot quicker. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so the first one is quick menu. So what you will have to do is you just have to tap onto the screen and then hold and a quick menu will appear. Now this menu is all about the functions that you use quite frequently, so you can actually edit one of these if you want to. So for example, if you don't use flip horizontally that frequently, you can just go ahead and hold on to it, select the function that you use frequently and just add on to here. So whenever you are doing something in your painting and you want to switch back to some function that you want to perform, let's just say alpha lock, so you don't really have to go onto the layer and then tap onto it and then select alpha lock. You can just go ahead and tap and hold and you can select alpha lock. Now to enable it, you have to go to preferences and then you have to select gesture control, and then from here you can just select any gesture that you like. So I have selected holding finger onto the canvas to just invoke quick menu. You can use any of these that are listed right here, so it's actually up to you, but quick menu is something that you should use while painting. Okay guys, so the next one is layer select. Now it is really annoying when you're painting and you have to switch back to any other layer that you want to paint on, and you just have to manually go back to the layers panel and then select the layer. Now to make it easier, what you can do is just tap onto the screen anywhere. So let's just say I'm just going to tap onto her skin, and let's just suppose I just want to edit the skin part of it. So I'm just going to click right here and all of the layers related or just around that will appear right here. Now from here I can select the layer that I want to work on. Now to enable this, again you have to go to actions, then preferences, and then gesture control, and then from here just select layer select, and again from any of these gestures you can select one. So that's something that I think everybody should use as a gesture. Okay guys, the next one is full screen painting. Now a lot of people already know about it, but if you don't know, then full screen painting basically means to make these tabs disappear while you're painting, because they sometimes do interfere while you're painting something. So to make that happen, just tap onto the screen with 4 fingers like this, and all of those tabs will disappear and you'll have the whole screen to paint in. So that's something which is also really useful, especially if you are working in details, then this might help you a lot. They actually interfere in between in my eyes, so if that's something that annoys you, I think this is something you should try. Okay guys, so the next one is clearing the layer. So let us suppose I have this layer right here, and let us suppose I accidentally actually painted something wrong. Now to clear this, you have 2 options. The one is to obviously to erase it, or you can just go back onto the layer and tap right here and hit clear. But that is actually a long process to do so. So what you can do is, once you have something that you want to clear up from the layer completely, now this doesn't work if you want to erase some specific element from the layer, it doesn't work then, but if you want to clear the layer completely, then it works. So what you have to do is you have to scrub onto the screen with 3 fingers. I'm just gonna scrub it like this. It actually clears the layer up. Okay guys, so the next tip is to actually have your colors right here on the screen as compared to the palette. Now you can use palette, but it actually takes a lot of time to go back and tap onto this color icon and then just select the color. Sometimes while you're painting, it sometimes annoys you a lot. So what you can do is you can just select the colors from your color palette and you can just have them onto your screen like this. Let me just do it really quickly. And once you have all of your colors right here, you can just pick the colors from the screen only while you're painting, so you don't really have to go back onto this icon to select colors from the palette. That's something I personally do. You can also select colors from reference tab that Procreate provides. You can just select colors from right here like this, so you don't really have to go back onto that color icon. So what you can do is, in an image, you can just have all of your colors from the color palette, and then you can just use that image as a reference, and then you can pick the colors up from there and just go ahead and paint that color. It makes the whole process a lot easier, and it speeds your process up a lot. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's mini video, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram. I post my artworks on Instagram, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. If you do create something out of tutorials, and tag me on Instagram as well. I will link it down in the description. And other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys the next time.